My friend Stephanie is going to tell me about things that she loves. Are you ready, Stephanie?
Yes.
Okay. Stephanie, what do you love?
Mom and Dad.
You love your mom and dad. L-O-V-E. What does that spell?
Love.
Love. What's this mean?
Love.
What do you love, William?
Mom and Cindy and Stephanie, and in my school, name's Shara and Florence. That's my girlfriend. And Cindy and Stephanie too.
Love. Bethany, what do you love? Do you love chocolate cake? Yeah. Do you love hamburgers?
Yes.
What do you love to eat?
Ice cream.
Ooh. And what's this mean?
Heart.
A heart. What kind of book do you love?
Snow White.
Snow White. Who do you love?
Bob.
Bob? I love Cindy too. Do you love Mommy? Yeah. Do you love Daddy? Do you love Bob? How many girlfriends do you have?
Cindy, Florence, Stephanie, Shara, and then Grace and Davion.
1, 2, 3, 5, 7, 9 girlfriends?
No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh, wow. That's a lot of girlfriends. Here are some things that all our friends love. L-O-V-E, love. So doobie-doobop, go make a nice, lovely song. I love you.
Kids English School.
Kids